Today I'm going to be talking to you about this Genius Ultra device from Arbonne. It is an ultrasonic technology which uses wavelengths of 300,000 per second to infuse the skincare products or serums into the skin. It comes with a timed setting of a minute and it turns itself off after the minute. So I would suggest you using the device on each area for that minute to get more benefit out of it. It also comes with 3 levels of setting as well. That's the on button there, and then here it is. So that's at 32 degrees Celsius, 34 degrees, and then that's the 36 degrees Celsius. So it works like a diathermy, which generates heat to stimulate the blood circulation and destroy the unhealthy tissues if used frequently. Increasing the blood flow helps nourish skin cells and keeps them vital. So, if you are using it, I would put my serum around. Say for example, if I'm doing my eye area, I'll put my serums around there, and my crow's feet or the glabella here. A lot of people do have creases around their glabella, and using this frequently you will be able to see some differences in about 4 to 6 weeks as well. Blood does carry oxygen and nutrients to working cells throughout the body, and in this case, when we are stimulating the blood circulation, it's going to carry the oxygen and nutrients in that area, and it will help rejuvenate and refresh the skin in that area. In addition to this, it also helps carry away waste products and improves the free radical damage and oxidative damage caused to our skin's working cells. Daily use of this device is suggested, and also if you are getting other treatments done outside, it will complement that treatment as well. But please do read your instructions carefully. It comes with a little user guide, which I would suggest you read very carefully before you use it. And if you are using this device, make sure that you are telling your practitioner that you are. So for example, if somebody came to me for an IPL or a laser, I would say, if they told me that they were using this device, I would ask them to stop it for a few days, maybe 2 or 3 days, before they put any more heat in that area, as laser and IPL is actually putting heat into these areas. We don't want to put any more heat there. So if you are interested in this device here, you can go into a link below, and it's called Arbonne Intelligence Genius Ultra device. At the moment we have got a special going on. When you buy a whole set of RE9 Advanced, you get this little one for free. And it is a very good tool to have at home to complement your treatments that you are already having, or if you are not having any treatments. Some people are skeptical of going and getting other treatments outside. This will be very handy for you to have at home, and it doesn't cause any damage to your skin. So I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, or share this video. If you know of anybody that would be interested in this, please share it with them, and I will see you in our next video.